He was not happy last night when I brought the backpack out to the front of the house. He thought we were hiking last night. This looks good right here. I'm almost on like a ridge line here. Definitely not quite the same as when we went down the last place. I followed that hydraulic wash the whole way down. You can see right here, it drops right there. I can see the trees below it. It's probably a slide. Like there's no sign in here. Buddy, come. You're not getting down there. Well, you can get down it. Probably not in one piece though. Yeah, I think we gotta go to this slide and across it. Nice picture of the valley.
Not one of our easy hikes.
Nope. We almost have to go down a bit, I think.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, this is going to get really shitty.
And then it looks like up here, if we crossed up here, it looks steeper than down there.
Yeah.
Around the cabin altitude. The other thing we haven't seen anything of is no ribboning.
No, nothing. I thought about that before we crossed that gorge. I hadn't seen anything. No ribbon at all. Fuck, man, I'm gonna kill myself here. Oh shit! I can't even get down to help you, buddy. You alright?
Oh,
Yeah. Fuck. Ugh. Come on. Good boy. Now you figure with a cabin this close by, you'd see workings here.
over here.
Oh yeah. This is them. Is that a trail right there?
Almost looks like one, yeah.
You alright? Just cold though. You're okay, you didn't hurt yourself, you're just wet?
No, I didn't hurt myself.
I'm just worried about your fucking shoulder.
Yeah, me too. Something was crossed my mind.
Hey, what's this? Right here. Springboard. Or something. I don't know what you'd call it, but that's definitely a...
Yeah, that was cut by someone. It's not a springboard, it's too big. And they wouldn't waste their time with
You know what I
that.
mean? So what the hell were they cutting it for?
Almost seems like a ledge for the... Almost seems like a ledge for the hose or the monitor. There's another cut on the other one. Cedar. Oh, that's a hemlock.
That one there?
Yeah, is that a cut on there? There's not many normal third in the bottom third. Take a picture of that?
Ouch. Not yet. Come. Oh, there you are. He went behind the tree.
What an idiot!
That's,
You're like, what do you want, you moron?
that's twice he's done that to me.
Oh, man. Look at how much more it's mossed over now. It wasn't like this when we were here last.
Nope.
It must be 3 years maybe.
Oh, that looks nasty, eh? Whereabouts are you? Okay, there's a big spool of barbed wire here. A big spool of barbed wire. Oh yeah. There's a chain wrapped around it.
No, that was a really shitty axe.
Oh yeah. Oh, way up there too.
Yeah, it's almost as if this was fucking native. Like, that's barely an axe, that's probably a stone. Oh, that up there is an axe. Oh fuck, that's old, man. No, I'm telling you, that's probably... They didn't even take the bark though.
I got metal right here. I got wood in a can and a sheet metal. Chimney dump right here. I don't know. This is probably the cabin right here. I got jars. There's... We've been here, I think.
You know, when we were just coming through those trees, I thought, fuck these.
Because this has been pulled out of here.
Yeah.
There's the jars. Chimney pipe. This might have been a cabin right here.
Oh, it is. That's a heavy plate.
There's a little tiny bottle right there.
Yeah, it's broken.
Oh, fuck. Fuck, that would have been a good jar. Oh, it's a whiskey bottle. This is a base right here.
Look, this is intact.
Oh, put that in your backpack.
It's light enough. What the hell's up with that?
Mouse trap? No. Rubber? Lots of hose back here. This was the cabin right here, Manny.
It's like a burnt piece of lead. Oh, I got metal in my hand.
Oh, that's... No.
Probably lead.
Yeah.
It's heavy. Look. Yeah, it's gotta be lead.
Now bringing your pan home? Aren't you gonna bring your regulator home? The hose attachment. You see in the end of it, it's got little holes in the end of it. Like a baffle.
Throw that on your pack.
Fuck, I always pack.
Well, it's going to your lawn.
Like right in here, look in here.
Is that a fucking step?
Yeah. Just be careful, there's Devil's Club right here on the right. I thought it was a branch, but it's not. This thing must have come right here. That's our ridge line up there. Me neither. But this is kind of looks like it, unless there's something we're missing right here.
This is it.
Yeah, yeah.
Cut there.
And that looks like it's been cut.
Maybe there is a switchback. Is that
You want?
Yeah, those have been cut. So.
Yeah.
Okay, it's got to go that way. For you to get here. Like, that's why they never hydraulic over there, because it was garbage.
Yep.
You guys didn't seem like they were shy on the old work ethic. I bet you there wasn't too many dog fucking go here.
Yeah. Could have borrowed some of that at work.
It was there?
Oh, that might be squirrel.
Oh shit. Really? No.
Yep. They make paths, same as mice. They'll follow that same path all winter.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
As you can see where it goes here.
Maybe it goes over there.
The mice will dig those like that, and then when it snows, they got a tunnel.
Yeah, oh, it's gonna get look.
Nope. But I just dropped in the tree.
Up high. Martin trap.
Oh, I see it now. Oh, fuck.
Oh, Jesus.
Come on. Here. Come.